Who you gonna call? It's Ghostbusters Afterlife cereal from General Mills. So check this out. We've got Ghostbusters cereal, fruity flavored sweetened corn puffs with marshmallows and other flavors. 150 calories, 8 servings in a box. 150 calories, and then more if you add in the milk. But on the back, they've got some questions and some fun games and different stuff like that from the new movie. So anyway, let's check it out and see what it looks like. We've got the corn puffs, and then of course you've got little marshmallows of ghosts and, well, blue ghosts and white ghosts. But anyway, the marshmallows taste like mostly any other marshmallow you've had before, and then the corn puffs are similar to other cereals as well. But anyway, this is a fun cereal to eat, especially if you're a Ghostbusters fan, and definitely highly recommend adding milk to it as well. But there are the Stay Puffed minis right there. So super cool. Definitely check it out.